You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright friends, if you've ever wondered how people can type messages so fast, I thought it might be fun to show you a simple feature on your iPhone where you can type in a shortcut and get a long-winded response. So for instance, one thing I hate to type out is my email address. So if I type in the shortcut EM3, I get my email address. Let's try this too. Let's say I was responding to a comment from one of my subscribers. I could actually use, let's see, I'm going to use DIYCMT3, and you can see this is how I can quickly respond to a comment. Excellent, really glad to hear that worked for you. Appreciate the comment. And I can make changes to this or create new shortcuts just by using a simple function in the iPhone. So how do we do that? Well, let me show you. I'm going to go to my settings screen, and under settings, if I go under general, and then I go to my keyboard, you can actually see a button called text replacement. And under text replacement, this is where I've got all my shortcuts. You can see there's several of them. If I want to create a new one, I simply hit the plus button at the top right corner. And let's just say my phrase is, hey, great to see you last week. And for me, we'll say great to see you is my shortcut, GTSY, whether I'd remember that or not, who knows. I can click save. Then that'll show up over here under my great to see you GTSY dictionary. Hey, great to see you last week. You can see several others that I've posted in here. I really love this feature, especially for email, phone number, and address. This is an awesome hack for anybody who might need to be able to type things quickly in short order. And it doesn't require a separate app like Text Expander or something like that if you already have an iPhone. You can also do it from your MacBook. You can program these things, and it also works over there if you're on the Apple system. So if you enjoy this, a huge time saver, which has been awesome. Again, text replacement, key in what you want to key, and you'll be good to go. So hope that helps. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for checking this out.